What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. Um, I gotta give you guys a little update. I haven't been really working on my account at all. Um, I'm recovering from being sick. I caught that C word, so I have been recovering and have been doing much. Um, I've been alright though. I feel like everybody has different effects and stuff. But it's just a matter of time for me as far as days to recover. But let's give you guys a little update of some stuff that's going on. No, the show must go on. My sales sucked ass this week. It's been sucking ass all month, but it's okay. Let's see what else is new. They have gave us more daily upload slots. Before mine was 180. Now it's 200. I really haven't posted really any designs. You can see, I've been sick as hell, so I haven't really done much. Um, I've only sold 18 items this month. Um, and for some reason, all the ones that are selling are the very few shirts that are up for $15. Or my low selling shirts, and I'm still getting Christmas returns and shit. So um, that's new. And then it finally told me how much money I made um, for this month. I don't want to click it because it's going to show some shirts that I sold. But I think it's a little over 1,300, which is really cool. That's new. So December ended up being my best selling month. Um, let's see what else I can update you guys with. Um, I feel like this month is gonna get better, or the next few months are gonna get better. I'm not really worried about it. I was definitely looking at my data from last year, and I only sold 29 items this month, which is about on track for what I'm probably gonna do, or I'm probably gonna sell a little bit more than that. Let's see what else is new. I finally sold my first product in Germany, which is pretty cool. Now I've officially sold in every marketplace, which is cool. Um, that's one thing I am going to be focusing on, is selling in every marketplace and uploading for them. And then the last couple days, I've been wanting to upload like crazy, but then I got on my Facebook group, one of the Facebook groups I'm in, and everybody's saying they're getting rejections like crazy. So I haven't posted anything. If you guys been experiencing the same thing, I guess it's been some type of glitch. I don't know if they fixed it yet, but I haven't tried to upload, which I might today. So I guess I'll find out and let you guys know if the same thing's happening. But I've heard more than 100 people say that they're getting random rejections. So that's just a little bit what's going on. My account, this is what's going on. Let me know how many have you guys sold this month. My sales are trash. I'm not gonna try to hide from you guys. It is what it is. The good, the bad, the ugly. You guys know. Um, I'm gonna show you guys. So I was just doing a quick little update. I really don't feel good, but I love you guys so much that I made a video for you guys anyway. I'm definitely planning out some more in the future. So you guys, let me know how your month's going, or if you guys have any other video topics that you guys want me to do. I'll damn sure knock it out for you guys, sick and all. Um, but yeah, I love you guys. Make sure you guys hit that sub button, like, kill the comments. Um, man, give me some, what do you call that? Some happy words, or some I don't fucking know. I'm sick. Fuck it. But just send me some love, y'all. Man, I feel like shit. Love you guys. Hit the sub button. Till next time.